Good morning, students. So yesterday we have seen multiplying monomial by polynomial. That is first by binomial and then by trinomial. Now today we are going to study multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. So first we will study how to multiply a binomial by a binomial and then a binomial by a trinomial. So one example I have written here, x minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Now here again we are going to use distributive law. Okay, that is a into bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Now here what we are going to do, we'll open the bracket of one of the binomial and we'll take each term. So first I will take x and then I will multiply this whole bracket with that. Okay, and then minus 4 and again I will multiply by this binomial. So let us do that. Okay, so x into 2x plus 3. So now what I have done, x multiplied by this whole bracket minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Okay, now see, this is monomial and binomial. Now I have studied that multiplying the monomial by a binomial, we know that. Okay, so what to do? Law of distributivity. Okay, so open the brackets and multiply. So x into 2x plus x into 3, right? Then minus into plus, minus 4 into 2x, minus into plus, minus 4 into 3. Okay, now see, 2 1s are 2, x into x, x square, plus x into 3, that is 3x, minus 4 2s are 8, 8x, minus 4 3s are 12. Now see these two terms. What are they? Oh yes, exactly, they are like terms. So we are supposed to operate on like terms, right? So 2x square. Now see, this is plus 3x minus 8x. So difference in sign. So what should we do? Yes, obviously you are supposed to do subtraction. So 8 minus 3, 5. So 5x. Give the sign of bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 8x. What sign it has got? Minus. So here minus. And minus 12 as it is. Okay. So what is the answer? 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Keep this in mind. You may feel that there are total 4 terms. So in the final answer, I should get 4 terms. Actually, you have got here 4 terms. But what happens? Similar terms or like terms, they are either added or subtracted. And so, in the final answer, I may get 3 terms, 2 terms. It depends. Okay. So, accordingly, keep this in mind. You will never get 4 terms. Most of the times you will not get. Okay. In the rare case you may get when all these terms, they are not similar. Okay. So at that time you may get how many terms are here? 4. So you may get here 4. Okay. So now one more example I will take based on this. Now see again, a square plus 2b square, 5a minus 3b. So again here binomial by binomial. Okay. So open the bracket of the first binomial, right? And multiply each term of it by the next bracket. So a square into 5a minus 3b. Okay, plus 2b square into 5a minus 3b. Now this becomes what? Multiplication of monomial by a binomial. Monomial by a binomial. Okay. Now So if you are expert, you can directly multiply. Means in the previous example I have shown the multiply. You can go by that way also. But here suppose if I do it like this. 5 ones are 5. A square into A cube. Okay. Now we are that much acquainted with it, and so we can directly do it. Okay. Now plus into minus. Yes, minus 3A square B. Okay. Then plus into plus, plus 5 2s are 10 and A into B square. So AB square. Okay. Then plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. B square into B cube. Okay. Now we are doing it directly because now we are very well familiarized with it. Okay. Now see here. This is 3A square B and this is 10AB square. So they are not similar terms. They are not similar terms. Okay. Because powers are different here. You can see. Variables are same, but the powers, here it is A square, here it is A, here it is B, here it is B square. So they are not similar. We cannot add them or subtract them. Do you get it? And hence, this is the final answer. Now how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 terms. So when there are similar terms, the terms of final answer terms are reduced. But when there are no similar terms, you will get the same number of terms as they are in the multiplication. Okay. Now let us say multiplying binomial by a trinomial. Okay. Now see this example. A plus 7 into A square plus 3A plus 5. So this is binomial, this is trinomial. Again same basic as we have done while multiplying binomial by binomial. Open the bracket of one term, any one term, either you select trinomial or either you select binomial. But what I feel, we should select binomial. Okay, it will be easy. Now, so A into bracket A square plus 3A plus 5 plus 7 into A square plus 3A plus 5. Now, what it happens? This is monomial and this is trinomial. Monomial, trinomial. So what it is? Yes, multiplication of monomial by trinomial. And there we have studied it. We are expert in it now. So we can directly do it. See here. A into A square. Yes, A cube. Now, plus into plus. Plus 3A into A. 3A square. Right? Plus into plus. Plus 5 into A. 5A. Now, plus into plus. Plus 7 into A square. 7A square. Plus into plus. Plus 7 3s are 21A. Plus into plus is plus 7 5s are 35. Now see, there are similar terms here. Now how many terms I got in my final answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 terms I have got. This is not my final answer because there are similar terms here. So see here, 3A square, 7A square, 5A, 21A. So bring them together. So see now what I do. A cube plus 3A square plus 7A square. Similar terms always should be brought together along with their signs. So I have got plus 7 here. Do you get it? Then plus 5A plus 21A and 35. So count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So we are there. We have taken all the terms. Because what happens when there are many terms, it happens that you may forget one of the terms. So to avoid that, always count the terms, it becomes easy. Okay. Now, A cube as it is. Plus 3 plus 7. So 10A square. Plus 21 plus 5. 26A. Right? And plus 35. So you can see in the final term, the number of terms is reduced because similar terms they got added. Okay. Now these are simple multiplications, but we are studying application also. So let us take one of the example of the application and then we can move to the exercise 9.4. Now see, this is the application. This is multiplication of binomial by trinomial, and this is multiplication of binomial by monomial. Now you are supposed to simplify it, but if at a time we take the terms, you can do that. It doesn't matter. Okay, at a time we can go on solving, or you can take this first, simplify it, multiply it, and then take this, multiply it, and then subtract. You can do in that way also, or at a time you can do it. Do you get it? One below the other. So however you want, you do it. Okay, but for simplification, what I am going to do, I am going to show this first. Okay, so a plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c. Okay, now we know what to do. A into bracket 2a minus 3b plus c. Okay, plus b into bracket 2a minus 3b plus c. Law of distributivity. Okay, so monomial by trinomial multiplication. Now we are experts, so direct 2a into a, 2a square, plus into minus, minus 3 into 3b into a, that is 3ab, plus into plus, plus a into c, ac. Okay, plus into plus, plus 2a into b, 2ab. Okay, now plus into minus, minus 3b into b, b square, plus into plus, plus b into c, bc. Now find out the similar terms. So minus 3ab plus 2ab, they are the similar terms. Okay, so bring them together along with their signs. So 2a square minus 3ab plus 2ab plus ac plus bc minus 3b square. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now, so that is 2a square minus 3 plus 2. Difference in sign. Go for subtraction. Right? 3 minus 2, 1. So 1ab. Give the sign of bigger number. So bigger number is 3. Its sign is minus. So minus. Plus ac. Plus bc. Minus 3b square. Now I will take this term. Don't take this minus sign. We want to just evaluate this term. Okay. So 2a minus 3b into c. Now you know the property of commutativity. Or directly you can do it. It depends upon you. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So you can take it like this. C into 2a minus 3b if you find it difficult. Or directly you can multiply. Doesn't matter. So c into 2a, 2ac, right? Minus into plus, minus 3b into c, 3bc. अभी हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. Okay, so see here, a plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b into c, that is equal to. Now this I have simplified. What I have got? I have got this 2a square minus 1ab plus ac plus bc minus 3b square. Now here it is minus sign, right? So minus, so give the bracket for this term. Now this I have simplified. It is here. So 2ac minus 3bc. Okay. Now what you can do? So 2a square minus 1AB means I can write just AB. Okay, plus AC plus BC minus 3B square. Now open the bracket, minus into plus minus, so minus 2AC, minus into minus plus, plus 3BC. Now see the similar terms, AC, AC. So these two are the similar terms, BC, BC. So these two are the similar terms. So bring them together. Okay, so 2A square minus AB plus AC. Now plus AC minus 2AC. Okay, plus BC plus 3BC, and left is minus 3B square. Count the terms to be on the safer side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are right. Right. Yes. So 2A square minus AB. Now plus AC minus 2AC. Difference in sign. Go for subtraction. So 2 minus 1, 1. So AC. Give the sign of bigger number. So minus AC. Okay. Now plus BC plus 3BC. Similarity in the sign. Go for addition. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4BC minus 3B square. So that is what the final answer is. Okay. Now learn to simplify in this way, or at a time go on solving this, go on solving this simultaneously, doesn't matter. Okay. This is for simplification, so that if you find it complicated, so at that time you can separate and then you can do it. Perform this operation first, then this operation, and then bring them together. So it becomes easy. You can do as you wish. Okay. As I have said, you have to do it. No. You can do in that way also. Will do. The only thing is, take care that you don't make mess with the terms. Okay. So now let's move to exercise 9.4. Okay. Now exercise 9.4, question 1, multiply the binomials. So second one from that we are going to solve. So y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Okay. Now, so as I said, open the brackets and multiply each term by the next bracket. So y into 3y minus 4 minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Okay. Now this is what? Multiplication of monomial by binomial. Monomial by binomial. We know that. Right? So y into 3y. So 3y square plus into minus. Minus. And y into 4. So 4y. Right? Then minus into plus. Minus 8 3s are 24y. Right? Now minus into minus. Yes, plus 8 4s are 32. Now see, these two are similar terms. So we can do the mathematical operation there, either addition or subtraction depending upon the sign. So let us see. So 3y square. Now minus 4y minus 24y. So similarity in the sign. Go for yes, addition. 24 plus 4, 28y. And give the same sign. What sign it has to be? Minus. Okay. Plus 32. So that is what the answer is. Now next example. So now third example, 2.5L minus 0.5M and 2.5L plus 0.5M. Okay, so 2.5L minus 0.5M multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. Okay, so simple thing. Open the brackets of first binomial. So 2.5L multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. okay, minus 0.5 m multiplied by 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. Now monomial by binomial, we are well acquainted with it. Now 2.5 into 2.5, so 25 25 are, yes, 625. L into L, L square. But here, how many digits are there after decimal point? This one and this. So total 2. 1, 2, 2 digits. So decimal point should be after 2 digits. That too from right hand side towards left hand side. So it will be 6.25 L square. Okay? Plus. Now 25 5s are 125. Now, see how many digits are there after decimal point? 1, 2. So, decimal point after 2 digits. So, that too from right hand side towards left hand side. So, 1, 2. Okay. Now, L into M. So, LM. Right. Now, minus into plus, minus. Again, 25 5s are 125. So, same. Right, 2.5 into 0.5, so it will be 1.25. M into L, so that is LM. Okay, now minus into plus, minus 0.5 into 0.5, so 5 square, 25. Right, now see how many digits are there after the decimal point? 1, 2. So decimal point after 2 digits, that too from right hand side towards left hand side. So decimal point. So 0.25 m into m square. See the like term. This is plus 1.25 lm. This is minus 1.25 lm. So they will get cancelled because their subtraction will be 0. Okay. So my final answer is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 m square. Okay, so let's move to the next example. Now see the sixth example. 3 upon 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into bracket a square minus 2 upon 3b square. So you are supposed to multiply. So I have written here 3 upon 4 a square plus 3b square into 4 in bracket a square minus 2 upon 3b square. Don't get confused at all. Use the basics. So what I am going to do, either you can multiply this and this bracket and then multiply the whole by 4, or you can first multiply this bracket by 4 and then you can go for our usual method. I'll come to it. See here. I'll keep this bracket as it is. So 3 upon 4 a square plus 3b square into. Now 4 into a square, 4a square. Okay, open the bracket and multiply. This is monomial, binomial. We know that. So 4a square minus 4 2s are 8. 8 upon 3b square. Now see, this is binomial by binomial. We know that. Now don't get afraid of the fractions. और fractions से तो क्या करना है? कुछ नहीं. Use the basics. Nothing else. Don't get tensed. Don't take the tension. Okay? Solve. I know the basic. What is the basic? How to multiply binomial by a binomial. Use that. Okay? So open the bracket of this. So 3 upon 4a square multiply by this whole bracket. So 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square. Okay. Now plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square. अभी क्या हो गया? Monomial by binomial. Monomial by binomial. Do I know? अरे हमें मालूम है तो हम लोग करने वाले हैं. Yes. Okay. So this into this. So show that. Why you know? Because this is fraction. And so there are certain cancelable terms. So what I am going to do? 3 upon 4 into 4 or directly you can multiply, doesn't matter. 3 4s are 12. 12 upon 4 will do. Now a square into a square, a raised to 4, plus into minus, minus. Okay, now 3 upon 4 into 8 upon 3. Okay, and a square into b square, that is a square b square. Okay, now plus into plus, plus 4 3s are 12. B square a square means a square b square. Okay, then plus into minus, minus. Now, so again it is fraction. So show that 3 into 8 upon 3. B square into b square, b raised to 4. Abhi dekho, here it is multiplication. So this gets cancelled. 4 1s are 4. Right? Now 3 1s are 3. Okay, then 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay, now here 3 1s are 3. और कोई है क्या? कोई नहीं. So now see here 3 1s are 3. तो क्या रह गया? 3a raised to 4. Right? Minus. अभी यहाँ पे कौन है? Only 2. 2 1s are 2. So 2a square b square. Okay, और यहाँ पे कौन है? Plus 12a square b square and minus 8 1s are 8. 8 b raised to 4. Now say this. These are similar terms. So we have to do the mathematical operation. Now which we will decide. So 3a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square. So difference in sign. Yes, obviously right. Go for subtraction. So 12 minus 2, 10. So 10a square b square. Now give the sign of bigger number. Who is the bigger number? 12. What sign it has got? Plus. So plus. And minus 8b raised to 4. Okay. So, dear students, I hope whatever I have taken till now, you have understood. Okay. And so yeah, today's homework. Remaining examples of question number 1, exercise 9.4. I am writing here on the board. Okay. So today's homework, exercise 9.4, question 1, 1, 4 and 5. I hope you will do it. And whatever we have studied. See here, if you are having doubt, definitely you call me and clear your doubts. Okay, but don't keep them as doubts because this is carried out in 9th and 10th also. Okay, further difficult examples. So don't keep them as doubt, clear them right now. Okay, so with that note, let us stop here today and meet in next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.